Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another outfit from scratch video. Now when I last did one of these videos, you guys absolutely loved it and you got like really obsessed with it. Even I was obsessed, to be honest. So I decided to kind of repurpose some old clothes that I had and make a beautiful outfit from scratch. Now the images in my head, they are very beautiful. I have some like inspiration from Pinterest as well. I'll put the pictures somewhere here. And today we are going for fabric hunting. Now I already have this fabric in this pretty maroonish color and it has like a slight shine to it, so I have to kind of take some fabric for the blouse and for a jacket or a dupatta or something. I don't know yet clearly, but we are gonna go to the store and see what I like and then take the call accordingly. So let's go fabric shopping.
So finally मैं और दीदी फैब्रिक शॉपिंग के लिए गए एंड दिस टाइम फॉर फैब्रिक शॉपिंग वी वेंट टू तिरुमला स्टोर्स. Usually we prefer going to Mangaldas market for the same, but it was far away and we had a little bit of a time crunch. And Mangaldas mein I feel you get the best prices with the best kind of collection, but this was closer to my place, so had to do this. However, the collection at Tirumala was impressive. बहुत सारे डिज़ाइंस थे, सब टाइप के फैब्रिक्स अवेलेबल थे. Obviously the pricing was relatively higher than Mangaldas, but it was still affordable and हमको जो चाहिए था सब कुछ मिल गया. Plus I was really impressed with the service, and no, this is not a sponsored video. I genuinely loved their service. Since मेरे कलर की रिक्वायरमेंट काफ़ी स्पेसिफिक थी तो सेम कलर का फैब्रिक तो नहीं मिला, सो वी डिसाइडेड टू गेट देम colored, which is a bit risky, but थोड़ा रिस्क तो बनता है बिकॉज यू डोंट नो कि क्या चीज़ कैसे दिखने वाली है वंस इट्स कलर्ड. सो काफ़ी इसे लॉन्ग शॉट था, शॉट इन द डार्क, बट लेट्स सी.
Hi, how's कपड़ा शॉपिंग गोइंग?
ऑलवेज ग्रेट, एक्साइटिंग.
अपना एक ब्रांड लॉन्च कर लेते कर लेते हैं. व्हाट डू यू गाइस से? इट्स मंडे एंड जैसा कि आपने फ्राइडे को देखा था दैट वी बॉट ऑल द फैब्रिक जो भी हमको चाहिए था एंड हमने उस फैब्रिक को डाई करने के लिए दिया था टू अ स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट, लाइक जैसा कलर हमको चाहिए. सो टुडे इज़ द कलेक्शन डे एंड मैंने कॉल करके पूछा द फैब्रिक्स आर रेडी. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग टू सी कि क्या हुआ है फाइनली, वो कैसा दिख रहा है. बिकॉज व्हेन द फैब्रिक इज़ वाइट यू रियली कांट टेक अ कॉल कि ये एक्चुअली कैसा लगेगा जब इस पर कलर चढ़ जाएगा. एंड कलर सही से लगा है नहीं लगा है, इफ़ दे गॉट द शेड्स राइट और नॉट, इट्स जस्ट अ मिस्ट्री एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू एक्चुअली सीइंग इट. आई जस्ट होप कि मैसअप ना हुआ हो. फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. लेट्स गो. So it's 1 week later and today finally we got some time to go to the tailor. So let's just go to Nataraj market.
फॉर द टेलर आई वॉज इन नो मूड टू एक्सपेरिमेंट, इसीलिए मैं अपने ट्रस्टेड मास्टर जी के पास गई जिन्होंने मेरा लास्ट लहंगा स्टिच किया था. एंड आई सैट विद हिम लाइक फॉर 15-20 मिनट्स एंड एक्सप्लेन हिम द एंटायर डिज़ाइन कि मुझे क्या चीज़ कैसे चाहिए एग्जैक्टली, बिकॉज सिर्फ पिक्चर दिखा के एक्सपेक्ट करना कि आउटपुट आ जाएगा, दैट डजंट हैपन. सो आई एक्सप्लेन हिम ईच एंड एवरी थिंग, ऑल द डिटेल्स, एंड उनको रेफरेंस फ़ोटोज़ भी मैंने दिखा दिए थे. He understood my vision and फिर बस measurements दे दिए and we were done. Now we had to trust him and wait for a few more days.
7 days later and we are here to pick up the dress and I'm really excited to see कि क्या बना है. Let's go. So that was the final look and I wore it to my cousin's wedding and I got so many compliments from everybody around me, my cousins, my masis, everybody. They loved the color, the fitting, the fabric and the design. So मेहनत वसूल हो गई. And to give you like a cost breakdown, like a rough cost breakdown, so skirt का fabric मेरे पास already था, as I've mentioned already. Then for the jacket I took like 3 meters of fabric because I wanted full sleeves and a long jacket. So for that the fabric was a little bit heavy, like it had work on it, plus उसमें पूरा thread work था, so it was a little expensive. I think 600 rupees a meter, so around 1800 rupees I paid for that. And for the blouse मैंने 1 meter fabric लिया था, which was a little silk based, shiny and a little more festive, so that costed me around like 300 rupees a meter because it was solid, no work, no embroidery, anything. And the tailor charged me around rupees 4000 for stitching. The tailor prices might have changed by the time you guys watch this video, so please check with Master G. I'll put all of his details on the screen, so don't forget to just hit him up and just make something great out of it, because he is a genius and he makes really nice clothes. So yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna gatekeep here. Other than that, I think 6,500 में काफ़ी अच्छी deal थी, the overall outfit, because you don't get pieces like this often, and I know I'm gonna wear this a lot more. So yeah, totally worth the time, effort, money, all of it. Let me know what you guys think of this outfit in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and all the good things. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.